The invoice is wrong. The vendor billed you for work that was never in scope, and you've been writing this pushback email in your head for 2 weeks. Tonight you finally open the assistant and you reach for the whole contract thread, every message, ready to paste. Freeze. Look at what's in that thread before it leaves your draft. The client's name, their account number, 2 internal cost figures your manager would not want a vendor or a chatbot to ever see, all of it writing along with the part you actually need. So here's the move, and it takes 10 seconds. Share the minimum. Before you paste, mask whatever the task doesn't need. To write a firm dispute email, the assistant doesn't need a real account number. It needs to know there is one. Replace it with a placeholder, account on file, and the letter comes out just as good. One honest caveat: masking isn't a force field. If something truly can't leave your company's walls, confidential or regulated material, the move isn't to mask it. It's to not paste it at all and check your org's policy. And one workplace rule before you connect anything: know your company's AI policy. Some tools are approved for work data, some aren't. Some accounts you're allowed to connect, some you're not. That's not red tape. It's the difference between a tool you're cleared to use and one that quietly puts company data somewhere it shouldn't be. So check first. Now they'd ask. You hand it the masked thread, 3 plain fact chips: what was promised, what got billed, why when you need this resolved, and 1 line: draft a firm but professional dispute email. Watch the draft move toward the send arrow. The words travel as little points of light, and the sensitive ones are right there in the stream. But before a single one crosses the line, you snap the redaction into place. Black bars slide over the client name, the account number, the internal figures, covered, locked, before they ever leave your draft. Only the masked version travels. And the letter it writes, just as sharp, just as firm. The vendor was never the audience for those numbers anyway, and neither was the assistant. One thing left: the tone. The first draft might land a little hot or a little soft, so you turn the dial. This is a new instrument, a tone dial, not the trust dial from earlier. Gentle reads, we may have a small discrepancy to look into. Firm reads, this invoice bills for work outside our agreed scope, and we won't be paying it as issued. Turn it until it sounds like you, on your best, most composed day. So before you paste, ask one question: does the task actually need this detail? If it doesn't, mask it and let the assistant do the writing with the rest. This episode was about what leaves your draft, the details you don't need to share. Next time flips the axis, not what's in it, but whether it sounds like you. The message that reads like effort but lands like nothing, workflow, and how to make sure you never send words you wouldn't say out loud.